People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, of course, you know I forgot to talk about Jolyan Silvera getting arrested. People are like me, I say, look at YouTuber, take a break from bad-minding scammers and look on this thing. And look, me see, my left, right. In the custody, some police officers then put him in a car bag, gone with him. I gotta tell you why this is still nothing to write home about. This is the bare minimum. This is what should have happened a long time. But this is still nothing to write home about. And if you're not careful, you start pop champagne and celebrate and say, you see, the system works and all them things, and then you realize, right, there's still a greater conspiracy at play. So, but telling you in the video, I drop before that one I say, first thing I look on a bail. Because the money have flight risk. That was one of the problems of waiting too long, because when I say man can get tip off, you know, especially at female level, man can tell him, say, yo, you know, so I'm definitely a come for you, bro. And man, do this and do that and fly it. We say 87, regular 87 on the corner. Right. Book ticket, go through airport, right, and then cross over and gone all about them business. We talk about regular 87. So Jolyan Silvera can definitely do it too. So I say more on upon him. Right. When time them start questioning him, he might have a better idea of just how much them have upon him. Right. Because remember when him start get the serious questioning, you know, right before him get charged, and him go that's alright, all this sit up on the bed side, and then when I will look, we see this come off and put it over the next side. When you hear certain questions, you're going to know right away, oh no, them have something. And, oh no, then they find that, me think to me that shit that. Hold on, all them know that means somebody I work with them, somebody I get information. So I'm going to know how serious things be. Right. So if the judge give him bail, that's spooky. People have to left them and give them time. Like oh, right. This is a case. Then get all by time. You heard me use the word conspiracy. I talk about the conspiracy on YouTube. I talk about the actual original meaning of the word conspiracy. I talk about multiple people involved in something. More than one people involved in something. This case does not end with Jolyan Silvera. Even if him go prison, if I am alone, it's still not completely wrapped up. Who are and where are the others? Start with the name of my circulate, but one day the real journalists them drop it. The real because the main things the journalists supposed to can get. Not YouTuber journalists, but real journalists. Remember, I just make struggle documentaries. Right. Can a real journalist make the public know who's the doctor that signed off on this woman's natural cause death? You see, what them do at first is all a win a bang around, then they realize, alright, it really gets sticky now. Everybody bail out left at one man, yeah. Right. No, jump back in that ship. Right. All going down together. Who was the doctor that signed off on the night? You see, know them think no, boy can take a sigh of relief because they won't lamp on Jolyan, you know. Look at YouTuber must left for you alone. No. Now. Who was the doctor that signed off on the natural cause death? The squad of them who pull up and co-sign the Nancy story. I try to knock me out of the unicorn business. But now what am I accountable? So we have a quote-unquote doctor out there that is declaring people dead with gunshot in them, bullet wound in them. And I just make it slide. Medical board and medical standards, you don't have no question. No, come out, come say this is astonishing that a doctor would pronounce a woman with visible signs of injury on the woman body. Visible. That means them that try cover up. For him friend, for him linky. But we know accept that. And rather give the doctor the benefit of the doubt. And rather say, no man, maybe it's an oversight. Oversight. And should I put on my glasses then? The astigmatism? Kind of oversight. Drink some carrot juice then. Drink some carrot juice. I notice people don't really make carrot juice on Sunday again, and I notice them modern day Jamaicans. We see Sunday, big Sunday, I see man a Pepsi. On Sunday, we carrot juice. No man, better give me water. Better give me water. Not drink too much Sunday, I drink Sprite. Drink the carrot juice and there be less oversight. Who sign off on the woman dying of natural causes? If we don't dismantle the networks, then the operation will continue. It's like discovering a human trafficking ring and you find out say they might take picking over here and carry and go over here to go chop off their head and harvest them organs and all kind of barbaric things. And then you hold on the one man where you catch with a knife and then plaster all over the news, celebration, but the network still intact. Who take out the pit them for you so? Who move them go here so? Right, where the doctor will cut them open? Who then put the organ them in the container and keep the heart fresh so that she can move? I wonder if they realize I go on now earlier. But if they really realize I go on now earlier. And way back in the day, when it wasn't even a story, I tell them said this spooky, how much picnic got missing the Iron Man. And nobody can tell me them. Never to be found. Right. People say me a conspiracy theorist. Alright. Remember I see me one time me telling about quote unquote Chief Curry. Right. When we down that rider wave there. And them say, there's no connection between him and the Soros and the Vice and the Sprats. And then when you see what happened after that. Alright. I guess I'll be a conspiracy theorist then. Imagine how many other murder victims were signed off as natural causes. Imagine how much people them stab and kill, shot and kill. And then say a natural cause. Remember say enough people family can't do separate autopsy. Enough people family can't do private autopsy. So then get the link. So them have the link right across the board. Them have the link or the squad will come look on the body. Then them link with the doctor. We sign off a natural cause. Then the man where do the initial autopsy, him have the link to. So him tell them say, yeah man, everything good man, a natural cause. Not knowing it was murder. Most foul. How many other Melissa Silveras out there? People of Iron Man, take a break from the gimmicks and entertainment. Right, and activate your brain for a second. This woman is PJ Paddington's goddaughter and it happened to her. Imagine. Right. Miss Jane from round the way. We only have 290 and her slippers in her name. Imagine how much easier it would be to get away. Think about it now, man. If they came within whiskers of getting away with doing this to somebody who is a prominent member of society, who much links and friends and connections. Imagine the person who doesn't have any links and connections, how much of them kill and say are natural causes. And it's frauds. Think about it now, man. This happened to Melissa Silvera. These night walkers can't be trusted, you know. To show you how arrogant they are. To show you how them know so them thing connected. The way how them kill the woman, that's when you're confident. You see, the way how them kill Melissa Silvera, show you so them very confident. So them have the police link, the doctor link, the morgue link, every link. Because there's whole heap of other ways them could have killed her and whole heap of other places, but them don't even make any effort. Because when you know so you have the cover up and lock, you're not for bother with no great planning. So before the victory lap commences, so yeah, we've got him, ladies and gentlemen. We got him. Before that happened, more and see. Right, the rest of people them. Mr. and Mrs. Real Journalists. What do you mean to tell me someone can't find out who was the doctor who pronounced this woman dead? Mr. and Mrs. Real Journalists. You have a duty to the people of Jamaica. Who was the doctor who pronounced this woman dead? This is now a public case. It's public knowledge. Mrs. Silvera cannot defend herself. She cannot ask. So we're asking on her behalf. Sometimes people say, yeah, but maybe the journalists them afraid. Go look at next work then. I don't disagree. Maybe journalists I say, boy, I really want to dig up the Silvera case. Because them money are top one and them money good at mix. Some of them really want. That's very possible. Me what I say. Right, that's understandable. But go look at next work. Right, you can't just be in your job and not do your job. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, that makes sense, people are man. Imagine taking your Honda Accord to the mechanic. And they say, yo, my crankshaft will give me a problem. Him say, boy, he really want to fix it, but boy, me can't fix the car. But I want to go fix that and then me go here say, Silvera, I'm going to get vexed so me fix the crankshaft and come back and do me something. Okay, in that case then, stop being a mechanic. Like, why you here in a mechanic shop but you're not fixing the car? If you're a welder and me carry something to your well, and say, yo, well, listen, I say, boy, he really broke off and really want to weld in the boat. You can't weld it, come, no one go weld it and then some big go say, yo, one more thing for them go kill it. So you just see them now a welding shop while they are now weld. So we are in a welding shop. Go do something else then. Because it's damned if you do and damned if you don't. If somebody like me say something, them say, oh, that's just YouTube, that's not real journalism, that's just rumors. So I'm like, alright. Rumors that make up things to get views, alright. So make the real journalists them do it then. Me a wait. Tell us who the doctor, right? No one investigate and people get locked up. When the most can say, right, the squad and the doctor and them people who were involved in the conspiracy should be known. Who? Police cannot pronounce somebody dead. People of Ironman. Police cannot pronounce somebody dead. All if you get shot 50 times in your head. Police, even though you're obviously lying on the ground dead, hasn't it? A doctor of you officially say you're dead. Police can't pronounce you dead, even though you're obviously dead. So a doctor was involved in this conspiracy and the attempt to cover up what happened to Melissa Silvera. Yeah, we can see. Them carry to that level. But if I just a case of, find a poster child and then do a victory lap, that's nothing to write home about. Just like with the whole gun network in Iron Man. Every time they find some gun in Iron Man, them show off the gun them, maybe a one man then catch with it, and they say, see, this is testimony that the security forces are doing everything to destroy and dismantle and dismantling. Not what they say, man, them there. The network still exists. So because the network still exists, you can take a one man and take 50 gun. Guess what? Gun make every day. Gun make every day. As long as the network exists, those can be replaced. But they come say that grain of salt. I'm just a little YouTuber. Right, I'm no expert on nothing. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.